In this video, I will show you how to make TikTok not private. Open up TikTok. Push on the profile icon in the lower right corner. As you can see, my account is currently private. We will make my account not private. Press on these three lines or dots in the upper right corner. Come down to where it says, Settings and Privacy, push on that. Press on Privacy. This is where we want to be, where it says Discoverability. Right below it, there should be an option, Private Account. Simply press on this toggle tab here to make your TikTok account not private. Then press Switch. Let's check our TikTok account. The private account tab is gone, and your TikTok account is now public. And that's how you do it, guys. How to make TikTok not private.